Hello and welcome to Quick Tips, the Claude AI use cases video series. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a coming soon or maintenance mode plugin using Claude AI. So we are going to create a plugin from the scratch that you can install on any WordPress website. So this is going to be your own plugin that we are going to create using Claude AI. Let me show you an example. Here I have enabled the maintenance mode on this demo website. This is a fully customizable page. You can change the background color. You can also use background image. Here you will see a logo. This is the title. You can customize the title. You can change the color of the title. This is a description. Below that you will see a countdown timer. You can add a countdown timer on this maintenance mode page, which will automatically turn off at a specific date and time. Below that you will see notify me email form that I have added on this page. If someone wants to get notified, they can enter their email address here, and that email address will be stored in the subscription list. Let me show you other features that I have. Here you can enable or disable the maintenance mode. You can select maintenance mode or you can select coming soon mode. In maintenance mode, the site already exists or it is temporarily down. It sends a 503 status, the SEO correct signal for come back later. In coming soon, the site has not launched yet. It sends a normal 200 status. So this is the difference between the maintenance mode and coming soon. You can customize the page. And here you will see auto disable. It is going to disable the maintenance mode automatically at a specific date and time. You can also customize the notify me email form. So in this video, I'm going to show you what is the exact prompt that I used to create this plugin. There were some errors in the first version of the plugin, and I'll show you how you can fix the errors and create a fully functional maintenance mode plugin using Claude AI. So let's see how this works.
Subscribe to Quick Tips YouTube channel for easy tutorials on AI tools, AI agents, WordPress, web design, automation, Elementor, WooCommerce, and more. Press the bell icon and stay updated with every new video.
So here I'm logged into my Claude AI account. I have already installed the Claude application on my computer. If you do not want to install the application on your computer, you can still use the Claude AI in a browser. You can create a free account on Claude.ai website and start creating a plugin. Here I asked the Claude AI whether I can create this plugin using a free version, and this is the answer. You could build it on free, but it would feel like a slower, more manual process. You would be the one running the test and copying the files. With Pro version, Claude handles that end to end. So it is possible to create this plugin using free version. However, it may take more sessions to create this plugin. If you have Pro version, it is a simple prompt that you are going to enter and the plugin will be ready within 10 minutes. Let me show you the prompt that I used to create this plugin. This is the prompt. Can you create maintenance mode plugin for WordPress coming soon or maintenance page with countdown timer? Do not create the plugin right now. I just want to know if you can create this type of plugin or not. Can we customize the maintenance mode page using the Gutenberg or Elementor? Can we also add image on the page? And what will be the features of the plugin? So here you will see the answer. Yes, this is very doable plugin to build. And here you will see Gutenberg customization. You can customize the maintenance mode or the coming soon page using the default Gutenberg block editor. If you are using Elementor page builder, you can create a plugin that supports the Elementor customization. So it is possible to customize the maintenance mode page using the Elementor page builder. Below that you will see the features of this plugin: maintenance mode and coming soon mode as a separate states, countdown timer with a date or time picker in settings, page design via Gutenberg blocks, logo and background image upload through WordPress media library, a role-based bypass. So logged in admins see the real site while everyone else sees the maintenance page. IP whitelist option is also there. Email notify me sign up form is also there. Social media links and custom footer text. Custom CSS box is there. SEO fields are there. Scheduling, so the mode automatically turns off at a set date or time without you needing to log in. So it is going to disable the maintenance mode automatically at a specific date and time. So these are the features that will be included in this maintenance mode plugin. So I asked the Claude, let's create maintenance mode plugin as explained above. Create Gutenberg only plugin. So even though I have Elementor on the website, I'm going to use the Gutenberg block editor to customize the page. And I also asked the Claude AI to use the author name as Quick Tips. So it started working on it. It took approximately 10 minutes to create the entire plugin. And this was the first version of the plugin. You will see it here. I clicked on it, downloaded the plugin and saved it on the computer. I installed the plugin on one of the demo WordPress website. I tested the plugin to make sure that the plugin is working properly. However, there was an issue. The content was not showing up on the maintenance mode page. So I went back to Claude AI and I asked the Claude AI to fix the issue. Here is the prompt. I installed the plugin on the WordPress website. It shows the maintenance mode blank page. Content is not showing on the maintenance mode page. I can change the background color and it shows the change in the background color, but the content is not showing on the page. It is also not showing the countdown timer on the maintenance mode page. Fix the issue and create updated 1.1 version plugin. So it started working on it. It found some errors, it found some bugs, and finally it fixed the issue and it created the version 1.1 plugin. So this is the version 1.1 plugin. I downloaded the updated version of the plugin and installed the updated version of the plugin on the WordPress website. So let me go back to WordPress website. Let me go to plugins. And here you will see the plugin that I installed. Maintenance mode and coming soon page. In one of the previous videos, I have shown you how you can create a lead capturing pop-up plugin using Claude AI, how you can create cookie consent banner and custom contact form plugin using Claude AI. If you want to watch those videos, I'll give you the links in the description box. Now let me show you how you can install the maintenance mode plugin. You can simply go to WordPress dashboard, go to plugins, click on add new plugin. I have it downloaded, so I'm going to click on upload plugin, choose the file. This is the plugin file that I've downloaded. Let's open it and click on install now. I have it already installed and activated. Once you install and activate the plugin, in the left hand panel you will see the option maintenance mode. Click on it and you will be on the dashboard of this plugin. At the top you will see the status, enable the maintenance or coming soon mode for visitors. If you want to enable the maintenance mode, you need to check this option. If you uncheck this option, it is not going to show the maintenance mode page. As of now, I have it enabled. And if I go to another browser where I'm not logged in, you will see the maintenance mode. So if you're logged in as administrator, you will be able to see all the pages of your website. So here I'm logged in as administrator and I can go to all the pages. I can customize the website. I can make changes to the website. However, if I'm not logged in, it will show only the maintenance mode page. So this is how it works. Then we have mode, maintenance mode or coming soon mode. As I explained already, maintenance mode is when you already have a website, and coming soon mode is when the website is not launched yet. Okay, so here I have selected maintenance mode. You will see page content. Click on edit page content. And from here you can customize the page. So this is the title that you will see. If I go back here, you will see the title here. We will be back soon. This is what you will see it here. If you want to change it, you can change it from here. And this is the content. We are making things better. So this is the title. You will see it here. Now, if you want, you can also add more blocks to this page. This is a short description and this is a countdown timer. So let's click on countdown timer, and from here you can change the date and the time. If I click on it, you will see the calendar. Currently I have it selected to 2nd of July and this is the time. If you want to change, you can change it. And below that you will see the labels, days, hours, minutes, seconds, and we are live. That will be shown once the timer is off. So if I go back here, you will see the labels, days, hours, minutes, and seconds. If you want to change the labels, you can change the labels from here. Below that you will see additional CSS or custom CSS that you can add for this timer. Again, if you want to customize the content, you can customize the content. If you want to add image, you can simply go to plus sign and look for the block that you want to add on this page. Let's say I want to add image, so I'm going to drag it and drop it here. Let's go to media library. You can upload a new image or you can browse the images from the media library. So I'm going to select this image. This is just an example. Let's center align it. Let's save it. Let's go back, refresh it, and you will see the image there. So I'm going to delete this block for now. Save it. Alright, so from here you can customize the page. If you want to see how does this look, you can click on preview page and it will show you the preview of the page. Okay, below that you will see auto disable. If you want to disable the maintenance mode automatically at a specific date and time, you can check this option. And from here you need to select the date and the time. So I'm going to select the date and the time, click on save settings, and at this particular date and time it is going to disable the maintenance mode automatically. Let's go to design. This is the logo that I have already uploaded. If you want to add background image, you can click on choose background and upload background image. And this is the background color. If you want to change the color, again you can change the background color. Let's try this one. Below that you will see custom CSS. Click on save settings. Let's go to access control roles that bypass. Currently I have administrator selected. If you want the editor or author to see the actual website, you can check these options. And below that you will see IP whitelist. You can enter the IP address that you want to whitelist. Then we have subscribers and socials. Currently I have it checked. So you will see that subscribe notify me email form. If you do not want to show it, you can uncheck this option. And this is the heading. You will see it here. Get notified when we launch. If you want to change it, you can change it. These are the social media links. Let's add some demo links here. Right, and click on save settings. Next to that, you will see SEO and scripts. This is going to be page title. If you want to change it, you can change it. You can also add meta description. This is checkbox, discourage search engines from indexing this page. Header script and footer script. If you want to add analytics or any other code, you can add those codes here. Click on save settings. Let's go back, refresh it. You will see that the image is gone. The social media links are there and change in the background color. So it is very easy to customize the maintenance or the coming soon mode. So instead of installing a third-party plugin, you can create a fully functional maintenance mode or coming soon plugin using Claude AI. So that's it for now. See you in the next video.
Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more quick tips about online softwares and tools. If you have any questions, please leave us message in comments section. And press the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching Quick Tips.